Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
We are back. It is December 12th, 12, if you will. And things have happened. We continue to retrace. Little bit of a shakeup. Not too bad. Not too bad. We're going to talk all about it. But before we do, it is hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. I do ask you join the Ganja Goons gang by hitting that subscribe, whether you're watching this live or you're watching this on repeat. So we're going to go right into it. I do want to talk about the market. Things have retraced. People are upset. It's okay. It's going to come back at some point. We've seen a little taste of what is to happen, and now we're going to see what is left to do. So we're going to talk all about it. Let me see here. I already have the chat piping in. Anthony Williams, good evening, goons. Please smoke that like button on your way in. Please smoke that like button on your way in. Indeed, what's going on? Good boy. Good boy. Cody, nice to see you. And there he is. Red Sox became a millionaire on Crow, and we don't see him anymore. So we know what happened with Red Sox. He's like, Teddy, do I take the profits now? Yes, Red Sox, take the profits now. What's going on, F Joe? Nice to see you. So as I was saying, we did have continued retracement, 1.56 trillion, not too bad. We've seen this as high as 1.61 trillion, especially when BTC was popping off at 45K. So we're watching it. It is a reversal that is needed in order to see the next leg up. It's just not plausible or realistic to expect Bitcoin to continue to pump every day. So we're finally seeing the retracement. And now we see how low it dips before we see the next leg up. A lot of these guys got shaken up by CPI data and then end up being like, hey, they're saying it's fine. So the assumption is it's fine. There's nothing going on. Everything is fine. So with that, you go, okay, so not too much of a retracement in Bitcoin, and which is what we didn't see today. So they say it's fine. BTC appears fine also. Till they say it's not fine. That's when I start to worry. And I know Powell speaks soon too. I think tomorrow or something. There's a lot happening this week. So we are strapped in. We already knew what to expect, and we're keeping an eye on it, but retracement is needed in order to see the next leg up. So if you're trying to find your entry points, that's when you start asking, hey, is this the right time to get in? See, there he is. Teddy, I sold Crow. I had a feeling. Made $1 million baby right there, Red Sox. $1 million baby, buddy. You're making it all back. You really are. You really are. So we talked about dominance yesterday. We always talk about dominance. ETH dominance does continue to dip. We are seeing it go to that 16%. We're going to keep an eye on it. While BTC dominance around the same, right? 51, 52%. We've seen it hug. And we'll see as the price continues to drop, are we going to see BTC's dominance go up? Areas where we're seeing the dominance continuing to make movement up is really BNB. And at one point, Solana, right? We saw Solana all the way down to 1.61. It has now made headway to 1.85%. So we're going to keep an eye on it. Also, definitely a lot happening in the space right now, and especially this week. If we're looking for entry points in or what's happening with market sentiment, dominance usually tells us where that money is going, depending on market, right? So that's exactly what we're saying. Hey, Salmo Fudd, nice to see you. William, hi, I'm here. Goonies, what's going on, William? I missed you, buddy. Hey, sorry I'm late, Teddy. I appreciate it. Ben. Thanks for checking in. Always a pleasure. I love it. The Goon Gang is in. We're checking in. We're understanding. Hey, Teddy, look at all this crazy stuff happening. Yeah, I've been just like mind blown because hey, all these alt chains are doing fairly well. So it's nice to see But unfortunately, Chainlink is not getting that same sympathy back. But it's good to see Ordinal still up there, VeChain, Celestia, Arbitrum, Aptos. They're having great days. So I do expect at some point in the week they're going to have healthy retracements. So for those of you guys who is like, hey, Teddy, is now the right time for Ordinals? There never is a right or a wrong time. So we talked about the bugs and the exploits that potentially could cause ordinals to go away, right? So even who was it? The NIST framework? Oh no, who was it? The central. We read about this yesterday. The government agency even listed it as a vulnerability on the blockchain. And it does make you wonder, hey, if this bug is patched sometime in 2024, does BRC20 go away and we no longer have a way to put data on the Bitcoin blockchain? So I'm glad to see it up right now. Shout out to Cody Core Hedera. H bar will rule them all. It is doing fairly well today. So always nice to see that. AVAX is having the healthy retracement as well. You know, it's gonna get hit. Guys, come on, it like 5x in the course of like what, a month? Yeah, right. Where were we? Almost at $12 to $50, right? So crazy 5x in the course of like a month. So I definitely, oh, not even 12. Actually, let's see. $19. At some points it did hit 12 though. Yeah, that is still crazy. That is still crazy profit taking. So it is expected. So I'm not too worried about it. We're gonna keep H bar. I knew it. I knew it. Hey, Coochie Boy, you're like the mayor. Everyone knows you. Coochie Boy been here the longest. Coochie Boy made the most money. AVAX meme coins next up. AVAX meme coins next up to go down or up? What are you predicting there, Ricky? What are you predicting? No, bro. I'm a just nobody. Get the hell out of here. Coochie Boy is a legend, bro. In this space, you look up Coochie Boy, you see the amount of money he has made, and you go, wow, that's Coochie Boy. That's our Coochie Boy. Um, so we've been looking and monitoring the Bitcoin shorts ratios. It was a 50-50 split yesterday. We are looking at a 44-56 percent today. You know, we keep an eye on it. Maybe people are going bullish on Bitcoin, or maybe it's a fake out, right? Usually the Bitcoin sentiment tends to be the market sentiment. And it is interesting because yesterday was that 50-50 split. Now we're seeing the longs go even healthier. And you go, hey, maybe there is a bullish signs ahead. And we talked about the indicators yesterday, also showing that sentiment that, hey, is 50K possible in January? We looked at the Fibonacci extension given to us by DB from Aquila Traders. So I thought that was very nice. I was very intrigued, and you know, if the bullish sentiment continues, we may see the levels we want to when the time comes. So watching money flow around the chains feels good. Which chain is next? That is the real question. Where are we going to get our next airdrop so I can make money? Will Bonk make us rich with Coinbase listing, or will we be exit liquidity? Coinbase listing, in theory, should make you rich, but the problem is people are pre-pumping all these tokens that when the listing happens, the token goes down. Teddy, did you finish your Xmas shopping? I did not finish my Xmas shopping. I had to finish it for my brother's a doctor. It's so hard to shop for a doctor. They can buy anything they want. What the hell? He has all the money. It's like, what the hell am I going to give him? So that was probably the hardest thing, but we finally came to some conclusions and we got their stuff ordered. So we'll see what they. Hopefully they're happy. I'm not expecting much for Christmas, so and now I have a daughter, so everything goes to my daughter. So that's, we'll see what she wants. I don't need anything. I'm good. I'm good. But I appreciate that. Crypto Ricky, did you guys finish your Xmas shopping? You still got more shopping to do? Let me know. Let me know. Oh boy. All right. So let me see here. That's basically what I had for the market. We are going to pop over to the news. A lot of things have happened today. More specifically, when it comes to Donald Trump, most of you guys know he released some NFTs. We're going to talk about that too. Crazy, crazy things. I don't know if we can still buy some. We'll see if we can. If not, that's fine. We'll see how high or low it'll go. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm quite intrigued to see what's gonna happen with those NFTs, because you guys, we've been watching those Trump NFT prices go up and down for how long? So it's like, all right, another season, another set. When is this gonna stop, Trumpy? When is this gonna stop? I'm collecting them all, I think. I have no more, or I've never bought the season 2 ones, I think. That's it. But we'll figure it out. We'll get somewhere. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it, Teddy. Don't you worry. Don't you worry, pal. So I did want to talk about the news. One of the main things being El Salvador. You guys know El Salvador has made Bitcoin their primary currency. And now we are seeing the benefits of making a digital currency your primary nation's currency. So one of the things that's happening is they're now giving out crypto-backed bonds to help build their real estate for this Bitcoin city, right? So this is supposed to be like some crazy mining industry um, that these bonds are backed by, and it's renewable volcanic energy. So they want to raise $1 billion from investors, and that will help start the construction of that Bitcoin city. So you go, okay, all right, at some point they have enough Bitcoin that as the price of Bitcoin goes up, that this is probably a realistic expectation that they can raise $1 billion. So the people that are in the know will probably get some good benefits from investing in here, and we'll keep an eye on it. Are you going to move to El Salvador because of this? Probably, if you really were trying to invest that much. So they do offer the Freedom Visa, and there's a citizenship program known as Adopting El Salvador Freedom Visa Program. So you invest $1 million in Bitcoin or stablecoin USDT, and they're gonna bring you on. So it's interesting. It's interesting. It makes you go, okay, so now I invest in the city. At some point, they're gonna build the city. They're gonna get $1 billion in Bitcoin mining, and we all know about Bitcoin mining from renewable energy. That's like money in the door. That's money in your wallet constantly. You're always making money. So yeah, I like it. Let's see. And hopefully this is the start of a new crypto-based city that we can all one day have parties at. Could you imagine the Goon Gang going to El Salvador? Oh, Teddy, I got robbed in El Salvador. They took all my Bitcoin. I come to you guys like, buddies, we should have never went. We should have never gone. This is a whole different type of stealing. It's one thing taking the wallets, but now they just taking our Bitcoins. Oh boy. So the other fun article, Jim Cramer, you guys know it. I love the inverse Cramer methodology. So someone did break it down. They looked at, hey, when Jim started saying to sell Bitcoin, and what would have happened if you put $100,000 into it, right? So his sell call came in at 24,000. Bitcoin was 24,000. At this point, a lot of analysts, not only Jim, even I think even at some point I even called that at hey, this could dip below, and then boom, something happened where we hugged like 1 trillion global crypto market cap, and from 1 trillion the next day we just skyrocketed up, and we just never seen it lower. But all the indicators were showing short signal, sell signal, and it just did not appear good. And then in reality, once Jim called the sell call, it flipped, and now the profits are crazy. But they said if you put in 100,000 back then, and that Bitcoin now would be 180,000, and that's $80,000 profit in less than a year from Kramer's sell call. And what's crazy is he did change his stance on Bitcoin back last month, and even though it was a few months after his initial prediction, he says his earlier prediction was premature. So you go, hey, a guy like Jim Cramer, always making these sell calls and getting it wrong, and the stocks are doing better or the prices are going higher. You go, why do they still keep him on? Because he's fun to look at, just like me. Hey, aren't you having fun? Are you having fun? I need to know. I need to know. Did you smoke that like button? I have a feeling you didn't smoke the like button. Don't be that guy, man. You need to. You need to. How else are you gonna have the fun? You don't need to subscribe, but you got to interact with the video in some way, shape, or form. Otherwise, you won't see me again. So I saw this. We talked about it a little bit yesterday, in the terms of, hey, the SEC or government going to try and find money in crypto scams and tax evasion, right? So the IRS did another top 10. Um, in the article, they only highlight a few of them. First one's like, hey, in the top 10, there's this guy, Bruno Block. He got sentenced for 4 years, and he launched a cryptocurrency named Oyster Pearl. And this was in 2017. So the IRS took, I believe, 10 million. Regardless, they seized 5.5 million. Here it is, 5.5 million that he had to pay back. So that was like the number 8 guy. Don't know what number 10 or number 9. And immediately after that, they go to number 7, the Silk Road guy. We've been following the Silk Road case for some time. So James Zong was a hacker who stole 50,000 from Silk Road, and that uh, caused them to get like 3.4 billion dollars, and he had to pay that money back. So he was paid the money back. So we'll see what ends up happening. Oh, I'm sorry, this is not for that, but he did have to pay this back, I was told. But in the end, I think he's in jail and he continues to be there. So we'll keep hoping that the victims are able to recoup their money. Hopefully. So we continue on to the 4th spot. The New Hampshire guy, 8 years in prison. And Freeman, $10 million that he did online scams, made Bitcoin exchange for dollars. That's basically what the scam was. And he had to pay his victims back as well. So they all have like, hey, you got to pay the victims back. But this is the 4th guy. So we jumped from number 7 to number 4, and we don't even know any of the guys in between. And then finally they go to the number 3 spot. We don't know who number 2 or number 1 is. And they're just like, hey, these are the only guys that matter. So number 3 was the co-founder of OneCoin. He got people to invest over $4 billion in the cryptocurrency, and he was ordered to pay 300 million. So 4 billion ordered to pay 300 million. That's not bad. That's not bad. I would expect to pay the 4 billion, but hey, who knows? Who knows? I'm having fun. Damn, I forgot to smoke the button. I'm gonna cheat it right now. You better, buddy. This is what we're all about here. So, as I was saying, we got to talk about Donald Trump. He did launch a NFT today. Let me actually make sure I can go there. Collect Trump cards. Yes. So he released an NFT today. Is this still available? They haven't sold out yet. Series 1 and 2 sold out in hours. Oh man, wait, we may have to buy this if this is still available. Let me go check OpenSea. Is it cheaper on OpenSea or is it cheaper if I mint my own? I'm sorry. I'm derailing. I'm doing the thing you're not supposed to do, Teddy. Well, what do I look up? Mugshot edition? Mugshot edition. Trump digital cards mugshot edition. This looks like it. Is this legit? Analytics. There's no sales? What the hell? So anyway, talking about the news thing. So the crazy thing about this is you buy 47 of them and you get to get a piece of the suit that Trump wore for the mugshot, and you get to have a dinner at Mar-a-Lago with Trump as well. So he's got the buy the 47, and he's also got another one for higher ones where if you buy 100, you get even crazier incentives to do on here, which I will show you. Bonus offer. So here's 100. You buy 100, you get all these other things. So get 100 digital trading cards. This one's 47. Two limited commemorative dinner NFT cards, two artist Clark Mitchell signed posters, two commemorative I can't say this word, I'm sorry. ESL hoodies, and two presidential pens, exclusive treasures given out at the gala. Dude, this is going to pay for itself in no time. Limited to the first 200 people that buy 100 NFTs and flip them. So, this is going to be the thing, I guess. This is going to be the thing. And now we wonder what's next. What's next? You get all this. So that'd be close to $10,000 for this, $5,000 for this. Oh boy, we're gonna make it all back, buddies. We're gonna make it all back. And this is the suit that you would potentially get. So people are going for it. We may buy it during goon time, or we may just buy it now. We'll see. Let me see. 22,000. It already says 22,000, so they're minted out, right? Does that mean they're minted out? What do I buy this on ETH? Is this on ETH? Why did I close that thing? Let me see. Is it ETH? Mugshot edition is on Polygon. Oh God, here we go again. What was that bridge that we used for Polygon? Where's NW when we need him? What was that Polygon bridge that we were using back in the day? Dang, the new release made our other Trump drop. Yeah, no, it dropped a lot. That's what happens every time it releases NFTs. The other ones drop because everyone's focused in on the new ones. And then we got to wait till it goes back up. And this guy may continue to milk us as we go. Let me go over to the chats. I got to look at the chats, study the chats. You talk about everything else, but I need to look at the chats. Yes, we're gonna look at the chats. Don't you worry, boys. So we are seeing a narrowing happen. Narrowing, a little scary, but hey, sometimes you need that confirmation of the narrowing before you actually see the next leg up. I believe we charted this on Fib extensions. Let me see. So yeah, it went up to here and then it retraced like here, right? That's what this one was. No, then it retraced to here. What? I guess it changes drastically. I'm still learning Fib extensions, but still not bad. Yeah, it's like you got to figure out how to do it properly. But anyway, let me go back to my regular fib retracement. Teddy, there's too many levels, bros. We haven't deleted the levels in forever. What if we dip back? That's why. Fib retracement, we're going to go from the high to the last low. And that literally puts us very low. But the price that we need to get that bullish sentiment back is 42.9, so almost 43k would be that bullish sentiment back. If it doesn't hold, we're looking down to 40k. It's going to hit 40k if this does not hold above this support line at 41.290. Oh boy, and we touched 40k already once, so we hope for the best. We expect the worst. I mean, even if I go to the last low in the time period before takeoff, it still puts you above 0.618. So you want to stay bullish. You hope it has a a recovery, and if that recovery happens, we're looking at 50K. See, that literally puts you at uh 50,798, and that's expecting the 0.618 uh reversal here, bounce off reversal. Let's make it happen, Teddy. And we've had that happen before. It's came down after a great pump before it made the next leg up. So we wonder what's happening here. And I don't see any patterns yet. Don't fall for any. Hey, I see a head, shoulder, or a cup handle. Whatever these guys try to show at you. I don't think any patterns have started, but it is an interesting metric to see what's going to happen in the grand scheme of things. So we went from the current high to the last low, and now you're at the 0.618 level. So if it doesn't hold at 40, 34K seems achievable. But in reality, if it bounces off this, 50K is achievable as well in that bull run. So we are seeing narrowing of the Indian oscillator. Little bit scariness to some, but we've seen it all. We can expect many, many things. So Ethereum, whole different story. 2,200 is where it needs to stay above in order to get that nice bullish sentiment. That would give us that 2,700 we're looking for. If it doesn't stay above, I think 1,900 could be achievable as well. So, oh boy, we start to wonder. So I told you guys this yesterday. If you're looking, oh Teddy, I never got that long position in. I, didn't believe it. We did get a long position on BNB yesterday. We were around 248. Now we're at 250. So very small movement up, but a movement up indeed. We're going to continue to monitor what happens there. And it was a quick turnover, right? We had that big sell, CZ news, all that, and now we're seeing it have a reversal back up. So we're keeping an eye on it. I'm not too worried, but if I was gonna go, hey, if I like the triple G indicator, this is one of the only ones where we are seeing long position call out for. So talked about XRP and whether it was going to have that crossover. It did end up having that sell confirmation on the Indian oscillator. Triple G still where was it?
In her playpen. Something is in the blanket.
Let's see. She's crazy. She's crazy. Kara's super sick. And it's very sad. She keeps coughing. We couldn't sleep last night, and I had to take a mini power nap before I actually came on the stream. I was like all groggy too. It was crazy, guys. Like, I don't know what she has, but no fever. She's got a little bit of a cold. Oh, she's half naked actually, so we can't show her because she is a girl. Yeah, you a girl. Why a naked girl? I don't know if you guys can hear her. But yeah, so she was quite upset last night, but no, she does appear to be getting better. We're giving her juices. No, my wife says no, she's getting worse. Oh, there's stuff coming out of her nose. When she sneezes, she coughs. Wait, don't shove that in your mouth. Why are you shoving that all the way in? She's putting this thing in her mouth, and we have to take it out. Yeah, this does not go in your mouth. No. Grab it. So yeah, as I was saying, we're going to continue on with the charts. XRP did have a long position that came in, but this was a quick crossover on the Indian oscillator. So if we need this long position to play out, we really need this to bounce back up and hit that 65 cents. 65 cents is our calling. If 65 cents happens, we go potential 85 cents as our next target. But if not, 53 cents is really what we would go down to if it doesn't hold. And we've seen this on SHIB. We've had that great long position play out. We had a quick crossover, but in the overall grand scheme of things, even though the crossover happened, the long position played out, and it went higher, right? So we hope, hey, maybe XRP, something like that happens. We have a crossover, another crossover, and it still pushes to the long. And you know why I say that? Bitcoin sentiment, right? The 50K still seems achievable when the fib retracement is like this. So I go super bullish on just these support level aspects, but you got to keep in mind everything that is happening in the first place. So you guys know my Dogecoin support levels haven't changed since the dawn of time. We got literally tested resistance there at 10 cents. You know, I put it at 10.79, real close, and then we're seeing if we can catch support. Hopefully we catch support around 9 cents, and it does bounce back up. So keep an eye on it. And we hope, you know, things continue going in the right direction. As well as Pepe, we had the quick Andean oscillator crossover to that short signal and then quickly bounce back up. Long position still stays. We are seeing a narrowing. We are seeing a narrowing. We are seeing a narrowing almost every meme token, including the altcoins as well. There is some narrowing, except BNB, right? BNB doesn't seem as narrow as all the other ones. So we keep an eye on it. We hope for the best, but it's nice to see that if I was looking for an entry point, BNB appears to be a good one to get into right now. So keep an eye on it, and we'll see what happens. I know we talked about AVAX yesterday. It had a great day. We saw the 42. We're now seeing the retracement down to 36. It's okay. Retracement is also healthy. Don't get fooled. We have seen 24 and it retraced to 18, right? So that could be what's happening with AVAX. It is still pretty wide, the Indian band, and the long position continues to stay. So we keep an eye on it and we hope, hey, is this it? Are we going to make it all back? Speedy recovery. Hey, what's going on, Wesley? Nice to see you, buddy. Always a pleasure. Always a pleasure. Can we add my bank to the chats? The chats. The chats. I need the bank. Yeah, dude, I actually realized that bank is on Mexi, so we could have just added this a long time ago right to the thing. But, you know, I like to make you suffer, I guess. So give me 1 second. I will add bank. Bunk, 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 bunk. And when it falls off, I will move it out. So let me move this up. Hi, Kaya. What's going on? What's going on? Mm. Oh man, bunk looking real good. Andean oscillator still super wide. Long position came in, dude, and look at this long, guys. This is just holding out. Still super bullish on it. It looks great. It really does. It really does. Let me flip over to Goon Time here. I do want to try and get. Wait. So Coochie Boy, what's a bridge I can go get Matic on? Do I even have anything on Matic? Didn't we buy some like crazy thing on Matic before? What did we use for Matic swap? Quick swap? I feel like we bought something on Quick swap. Quick swap. Quick swap dot exchange. Oh my god, I don't even know what the quick swap. Quick swap dot exchange. Okay, let's see. All right, don't take my stuff, man. Don't take my stuff. Connect wallet, MetaMask. I don't even know if I have anything. Let's see. I'm gonna go over to Matic. Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna make it all back, Teddy. I have 6.6. Dude, I have like nothing in this. What was it? USTR, USTR, USDR. Didn't we buy something on Matic? USDR. Real USD. Yeah, what happened with this? Give me your truth. 410 at 57 cents. So what is a little? Wait, what the hell? Do I go to Matic or do I go to ETH? ETH? Give me the ETH. Insufficient liquidity. These guys pulled LP on me. Why? Is there any amount I can get back? 15. Yep, that's not happening. All right, so what else can we do? Dun, 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 dun. Let me see. I don't want to do credit card. I'd rather just get. I forgot the bridge name. We're gonna make it all back. We're gonna make it all back. That's the goal. That's the goal, buddies. All right, continue. Connect with wallet. MetaMask. Connect. Yeah. Oh wait, I can connect with wallet and still buy with credit card? Or do I just buy with crypto? Buy with crypto. How many cards? Wait, what the hell is this? 47 cards. Dude, get the hell. Yo, get the hell. 1. VIP seating. Oh boy, I need that VIP seating, man. 2 gala dinner tickets. 2. Availability status 158. Oh man. 42 suckers have already done this. We're gonna be sucker number. Wait, we're not doing the 100. We're gonna make it all back, boys. Oh man, are we gonna buy these Donald Trump NFTs or not? That is the real question. Okay, so I don't even know what I have. So first, I'm gonna go to Uniswap. Oh my god, my wallets are depressing. All right, wallet. Do I have anything? USDR? Can I sell it here? Take my USDR and give me my Matic. Oh, wait, I can buy it here. Oh my god, please let this happen. Please. ETH. Wrapped ETH. Is that the same thing? I think it's the same thing. Just get the wrapped ETH. Give it to me. $200. We can get 2. We get 2. We're gonna get 2. A 2. Yo, if I do all this and I don't fucking get 2, I'm sorry. I'm swearing. If I don't get 2, I'm gonna be sad. We do all this work, Teddy. You did all this work. So yeah, QuickSwap had nothing, but Uniswap had LP. So we're making it all back with hopefully this gives us 0.1. Oh boy, we're about to make it all back, buddies. It says sign the message and you're gonna have your ETH. Oh man. I really wish it was that easy. Oh, come on, longer than expected. Oh man, I'm trying to make it all back. Why is it so hard? All right, it says we have the 0.1 ETH. Let's go over here. I'm gonna buy 2. Buy now with crypto. Wait, what the hell? Buy your Trump digital trading card again? Oh my god, I don't like entering this. I don't. 1 second. I gotta enter this offline. All right. I guess we will do something. Oh my god, I'm just using one of my throwaway emails, and if you guys knew what it was, you would laugh. So I just think it's hilarious. Let me see. It says loading NFT and verification. You're about to submit sensitive data. Dude, what the hell? Is this going to show you my sensitive data? Yeah, I don't want to provide identity. Let's get the provide identity document. Perform a liveness check. Dude, what? Continue on this device. Continue on phone. Yeah, I'm going to have to continue on phone here. I don't even have. Wait, do I even have ID on this device? Wait 1 second. I gotta like double check everything because I just want to make sure I'm doing proper. What do I have on this device? Show me the meaning. Na 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 na. Oh wait, I have ID on this device. Okay, download this. Boom. Got it downloaded. And now go back to here. I mean, if I gotta quickly turn off my webcam here to do a perform check there, that's fine. Continue on this device. Oh my god, just let me in. Okay, next. Upload a colored photo or file. Take a photo. Okay. Give me the document. Wait, I just want to upload my own document. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Wait, did I not download the thing? I swear. I'm just trying to do the thing. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Download. Why didn't it download? Oh boy. File 1. Wait, it's there, but it's not showing up on the freaking thing. What the hell is this? What the hell is this, man? I'm just trying to buy the NFTs. Upload document. Downloads. Wait, this is front side and back side. So yeah, screw you. Ensure the upload. What the hell? It wants two different. Oh my god, this is so annoying. I've never had this go this crazy before. Just let me in. All right, so somehow I need to upload two different images, it says, and I don't want this to open there. Sometimes you gotta trick the thing, man. Teddy, we're tricking the thing. We're tricking the thing. No, it still doesn't like it. What the hell? This is literally my thing. What's going on? What's going on? All right, I may have to figure this out offline if I don't figure it out here. It's trying to make me verify my details here, and I don't want to open. Wait, let me just stop sharing screen for 1 second, just in case I click this and something crazy happens. Let me see. 1 second, boys. I'm just doing the verification and making sure it comes up fine. Yeah, we're good. I'll share again. Share screen. I'm making you guess. What's going on? What's going on, Teddy? I need to know. I need to know. Well, they're trying to figure out how to buy the Trump cards. That's what's going on. Okay, so snipping. I'm gonna do the first one. Save. Save this in pictures. Front lessons. Okay. And then save this in pictures. Save this. In pictures. It wants two different files, so I need to make like two different files just to freaking verify. This is why people aren't buying this, Trump. Look what you did. We had such great issues, and now this. We had to file. Oh wait, I didn't save that in the right pictures. Backwards ones. Boom. All right, so front. Upload backside. Back license. Upload. Let me in. No, we do not accept screenshots. Upload a new image. Information from your document cannot be read. Dude, what the hell? Oh my god. Now they don't accept screenshots? How do they even know it's a screenshot? Yeah, this isn't gonna happen today, boys. That's basically what's happening. I tried everything. I've tried everything. It doesn't want me to buy it. It doesn't want me to buy it. That's literally the issue. Even if I go the credit card route, it still wants me to do all this BS. So I'm gonna have to do this offline. I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully tomorrow. Crypto's so weird now with all this KYC stuff. Yeah, dude, exactly. They want to know the things. They want to know the things, Teddy. Don't you know? Wait, what happens if I... How do they know it's a freaking screenshot? How do I, like, scrub the data so they can... These guys are just so mean. We'll do ID. Continue. Upload. Upload backside. I'm trying to do a different one and see if it lets me in. Continue. Oh, your data has been uploaded. Get your camera ready. Here we go. Here we go. All right. So I need to, I'm going to disappear here for just a hot second and then you'll see me again. Hello, am I back? Can you hear me? Dude, it still failed. I resolved everything. I resolved everything. And they're like, nah, Teddy, you're not real. You're not real, Teddy. Look at this. Look at this. I resolved everything and it goes resubmit. I even went through the thing. Teddy talking to Trump right now. Stand by. All right. I think that's it. We're going to figure this out. I'm going to figure it out offline. I'll come back to you tomorrow and tell you how difficult or easy it was. So I'll keep you updated. Let's see what happens from here. All right, boys. Stay safe. Stay strong. I will see you next time, hopefully with 2 NFTs added to our collection. But yeah, till then, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. And remember, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed.